Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert multiple worksheets into a single PDF. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Excel. I have multiple sheets over here, so I just want to make a single PDF. What I have to do here? So simple and easiest way, I just want to copy this sheet. I just want to paste the sheet over here, so the second sheet and third sheet and fourth sheet, there will be a plenty of sheets will be available. I just want to take these workbooks, the entire workbook, into a single PDF. What I have to do here? Simple and easiest way, I just want to make this one. So sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 5 should be there in single PDF. So what I have to do here? So just go to file and just go to save as Adobe PDF. So just hit the button. It will ask you for a sheet and selection and the entire workbook. So conversion range is there, so you just select entire workbook over here. So actual size or fit with paper size or fit with the worksheet. So anything you can use according to your needs. So I just want to choose a actual size and convert as a PDF. I just want to Acrobat need a save before continuing, so I just want to save the file over here. So the file name should be saved over here, so I just want to save as a main Excel sheet, and it is preparing for the PDF. So single PDF will be prepared, and entire sheets, that is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, will be stored into a single PDF. So this is a simple and easiest way. From the Excel you can convert entire book into a PDF format, as I said. So simple and easiest way, you can able to see all kind of a PDF into a single document over here. So what are the files are there, everything will be stored as a single PDF format. Similarly, I just want to save a Google sheet into a single PDF. What I have to do here? So I just open a Google sheet. This is a Google sheet. There is plenty of sheets will be available in a Google sheet. So entire workbook, I just want to convert this one into a PDF. What I have to do here? So just go to file menu and just go to download, and it will ask you for the PDF. So just hit the button PDF option. So it will show you only the current page, what are the current sheets are there. The export is there. Just click the button and you will find a selected and workbook. Once you choose a workbook, entire workbook will be selected over here, as you see here. So totally I have around 5 sheets over here. So 5 sheets is loading over here. So in a single PDF I can able to see. So if I want to convert this one into A4, so just choose a paper size into A4 so that it will be changed. So it's look like a landscape. I just want to into a portrait. I just choose as a portrait, so that portrait PDF will be ready. So you can choose a normal or fit width to that according to your need. Height and fit width means it will be in big size, so that you can able to see according to your needs. So normal means normal will be open here. So fit width means fit width will be there. So you can choose, and you can choose a header and footer if you want. So just click here to export. Automatically the download PDF is downloading over here with the expectation. So wherever you want to save, you can save, so that it is easy. Single PDF is ready, so you can able to open and see what are the PDF is ready. So from the Excel or Google sheet, you can convert an entire PDF into a single PDF, entire workbook into a single PDF. For example, Excel also, you just click here for a save as PDF, or just click here to save, and you can save. If you don't have a save as PDF means, just click here to save. There will be a file format will be there. Just choose a PDF. So there will be a PDF option will be there, as you see here. Yes. So once you select this one, so there will be a options, main Excel sheets will be there, so you can choose according to your need, and just click here to save. It will ask you where you want to save the entire sheet. So it is a simple way you can see without any other hesitation. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.